your service. So for today, we'll be having our creating a bootable USB drive using Rufus. First, you have to know what is Rufus is. So Rufus is a 10 application software that can help us to create a Windows 10 installer or Windows 10 bootable drive. So we will be having our Windows 10 installer by the use of these Rufus applications. So Rufus can be downloaded on the website of Rufus, rufus.ie, and download the latest version of Rufus. Latest version is very good for creating the Windows 10 installer. But before we continue, let me just give you some definitions of what is Rufus all about. Rufus is a free and open source utility used to create bootable USB drive. It is commonly used for installing operating systems like Windows or Linux. Used to create bootable USB drive to install Windows, Linux, and other operating systems. It's very easy for us to create Windows 10 installer if we have application software Rufus. Rufus is free to download, so you can download it, and then after downloading, make sure you know the folders, the download folders, and then after that, you can install it. After installation, you will see the properties of the Rufus, and then that particular download. After download the Rufus, next step, if you can download the Windows 10 ISO. ISO means the image file of Windows 10. It's available to Microsoft Windows page. So download page, you can go to www.microsoft.com and then look for Windows 10 ISO file. So just type it on the search box of microsoftwindows.com, Windows 10 ISO file. It took a lot of minutes, but it depends on your internet speed and depends also on your specs of your PC or your laptop. So once you have Windows 10, be sure you know the folder of your download Windows 10 ISO file. You look for the properties, right click the properties, and you will see if that particular Windows 10 is an image file. So you will see the extension name of that is ISO. And then after that, when you install the Rufus, you have to insert your USB drive. So at least 8 GB of storage in your computer. So I suggest to buy USB 8 GB. So in any brand, if you will see on the board is Kingston, but any brand. Example, those are the key, same like this. So SanDisk. So I have a lot of USB here. I will be creating a Windows 10 installation. So these are the USB of my ICs, the students. So later on, I will put it on my laptop so we can have your Windows 10 installation, this USB disk. Then after installing your USB, so when you open Rufus, automatic it will be prompted on the click yes or no. So when you click yes, you allow Rufus to run on your PC. If you click no, automatic yan, there will be no application software. But of course, we have to click yes, so we can allow to run the application software. Then after run applications, you will see these particular properties. You will see these properties. So these properties are the Rufus properties. So ito ang ating properties. Yan. So when in Rufus, under the device section, ensure that USB drive is selected. You will see the USB appears on a particular area on the tab on the text box of the drive. So you will see the brand of your USB here, and then you will see the GB, whether it's 16 GB or 8 GB capacity. After this step number 5, you go to step number 6. Step number 6, you have to select your Windows 10 ISO, the one you download. Windows 10 ISO, you have to click the select button here. So and then you will go to the drive folder where your Windows 10 save. So just click Windows 10 ISO file. Then after that, you have to go to this particular partition scheme. This is very important. The step number 7. Don't be too fast to click yes or no, to click OK. Make sure you know what is the partition scheme. So there are two options. One is GPT and what is MBR. What is the difference between GPT? GPT is for modern PC use, the latest version of the computer. Let's say Intel Core i7, Intel Core i5, the latest motherboard. But of course, when you are formatting the old version, so you have to choose MBR. But I suggest to click MBR. Majority of our PC that we are using is good for MBR. So this area is for MBR and GPT. So make sure you choose MBR. Right after step number 7, you go step number 8, the file system. So that must be set to NTFS. So the new technology file system, this is NTFS. Make sure this is NTFS. If this is not NTFS, it cannot be applied the Windows 10 ISO file. Then after that, step number 9, so you have to create your own label, your name of your installer. So just put it Windows 10 installer or your name. Let's say Windows 10 underscore Tony. So you can use that as your label of your particular USB. Then after that, step number 10, click start button. So the start button, so and then that's the time to begin the process. So after having the process, maybe around 5 to 10 minutes, depend on the speed of the internet, depend on the speed of your PC. So it will took around 10 to 15 minutes or perhaps less than 10 minutes. So there is a warning will appear that all data of the USB drive will be destroyed. So make sure that your USB is designed only for Windows 10. So don't put the USB with have your data or have your files, especially your important files. Once you have the important files in that USB and then you are having your installation disk automatic, it will be lost. So the USB drive will be formatted. So be sure that when you are using that USB, that is only designed for Windows 10. And then step number 11, you have to wait. So just read and then don't go far away because it's just a matter of a minute. So wait for the Rufus to create bootable USB drive. This may take some time. And then after that, the USB drive will be ready for Windows 10 bootable disk. And then step number 12 of completions. So once the process is complete, close the Rufus, safely eject the USB drive, and congratulations, you create your Windows 10 bootable disk. It's very easy. So you have now your USB Windows 10 bootable disk. So you can use that Windows 10 bootable disk to format your laptop, to format your PC whenever you need it. So thank you.